This is my bird.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
We're out by our boneyard. We have some racks of pipes that we keep for a whole lot of reasons. They're bits and pieces are left over from previous construction. And we're going to go get some 3/4 inch PVC pipe and see if I have enough to plumb that entire greenhouse. I'm not sure I do, but we're going to give it a shot. If I have it, I don't have to go driving for it.
Right, we got totally distracted because we have a pair of
Well, I'm going to make that bird even unhappier, more unhappy. Oh, there it is right there.
Yeah, there's one there. That actually got something in its beak. And there's another one over in this tree here.
It was over right by the front door of the house. It flew over here.
Right.
Must be building a nest.
A little late in the season. Maybe they do two, because there's two of them in the trees here. They're just not happy with you. Or me. They're like, what are you guys doing over here? Ash-throated flycatchers out here who are yelling at us. Apparently, they were either planning to build something in our area here or have something in their area, and we're just too close.
We're definitely too close no matter what as far as they're concerned.
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and get the pipe, and then we'll move to the greenhouse just to check things out. We're doing nothing, ignore us.
Yeah. Pay no attention to the large, ugly bags of water. We're okay. Okay, we're looking for the 3/4, right?
3/4.
Okay. I've got a 3/4 slip in my hand so that I can measure. Because sometimes when you're looking, you're like, I don't know.
Well, we have a couple of sticks here that I'm not sure it's 3/4 or 1/2 inch right there.
This one there is definitely 3/4.
That's the one I'm pulling out?
No, the one I just slid out.
This one here?
Yes.
Those are all 3/4.
So this is all 3/4 here.
Okay, I have 4 pieces here, and I have some shorter ones.
You guys are really unhappy with us. Were you planning to do something over here, or have you already done something over here?
I'm sure they've already done something.
I would think they'd be done by now. Let's see. Pretty amazing, guys. Definitely gonna have to look up those birdies. Definitely flycatchers. Need to find out what kind.
He's all the way on top of the tree to your right.
Oh, I know. Well, now he's up there. What I'm trying to do is, there's two of them, see? There's a
Yeah.
pair. Trying to decide if it's a western wood pewee or some other kind of thing. It's definitely a flycatcher, there's no doubt about that. It's not a vermilion flycatcher, obviously. Let's see, that's what you look like. Let's see your sounds. Definitely not a pewee. The call was completely wrong. I was thinking they were too buff on the chest, you know, and they are.
Now I'm going to be drilling a hole through the OSB that makes up the north end of our greenhouse. And I need to make it be more or less midway on the hip board that goes the full length of the greenhouse. There's a lot of stuff I'm going to have to move. I'm not sure I'm going to move it now because of the temperature, but we're going to go ahead and go in and take a quick peek. I can help a little bit. Okay, I think we're good enough.
Okay. Oop, there goes that thing. That's what I expected to happen. Are you going to put yours on?
It's on.
Oh, okay.
I was getting ready to do some work right now.
Okay.
And it's being filmed
Yes.
on both sides.
Zoom, zoom. You can see it, but not on the camera. I think that's too small. Hopefully I'll be wrong. I think that's good for ½ inch, not for 3/4.
Just barely too small.
I was gonna say, needs gorilla snot, right?
No, I'm going to throw it out a little bit more. That would definitely be big enough.
Oh yeah.
Because that's, I think, a little over an inch.
Ta-da! Fun, fun. Okay, now you're running into the
Shelves?
shelves
Yep.
because you're not very close to the board. Well, 1 out of 3 zip ties worked.
Well, at least they worked.
Right there. It's a hole.
That will definitely be big enough.
Oh yeah.
Because that's, I think, a little over an inch.
Ta-da! Clunk, clunk. Okay, now you're running into the
Shelves?
shelves
Yep.
because you're not very close to the board.